In an ever-changing economy, every business needs to learn how to change and adapt based on that economy and their customers. But a lot of businesses, especially online businesses, either can't or don't. So in today's video, what I want to do is I want to give you the best and worst online businesses of 2020. Now, if you want to make millions of dollars online, then be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it also helps out my videos immensely. Now let me ask you something. What are some of the last online businesses that you have tried, and were they successful? Let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if there's an online business that you have tried in the past, whether it's 6 months ago, 4 years ago, or 2 days ago, let me know what that was and why you just didn't like it. If there's something you didn't like, let me know. Again, answer that down in the comment section below. One of the things that you are going to notice as you go through this online journey is some people really love certain businesses and they're just, die for those businesses. And other people, it's like, no, I'm not going to do that. And they go completely opposite, go to a different thing, different online business, and they just absolutely love it and are crushing it. So it really depends who you are, what your skill set is, the amount of time that you have to devote to this business, and also the amount of money you're willing to spend. Which leads me to one of the worst online businesses, in my opinion, of 2020. So what is the worst online business of 2020? In my opinion, the worst online business is dropshipping, where you sell cheap novelty items. But why is that? Why can I not sell cheap novelty items, especially doing dropshipping? Why can't I do this? Here's the reason why I feel a lot of people are going to be hit by this and their business is just going to be going under. Here's the reason why. When you are buying and selling a cheap novelty item, what you're trying to do is just get people to buy some random thing. It's kind of like the candy at the checkout line in a grocery store. It's something, it's just spur of the moment. It's, oh, cool, I see it right there, I'm just going to buy it because it's like $1. These cheap novelty items that you can buy for 30 cents and you can resell for, $4 or $5. Most people don't even think about it. But here's the reason why that's going to be a problem in 2020 and beyond. More and more people lately have been trying to save money. And it's mostly because of this pandemic, the economy that we're in. A lot of people are not working. So because of that, they're trying to save more money. And what's the first thing that they cut out when they're trying to save money? Items that they don't need, such as a novelty necklace, a novelty ring, a novelty watch, novelty sunglasses, just cheap novelty items that nobody really needs. Because the truth of the matter is, cheap items, especially novelty items, can be lived without. You don't need them to live your life. And if you don't have these items, most people would never notice. And the next reason why I know a lot of people are going to stop buying these items is because they don't provide any emotional or financial, stability, financial stress, nothing. They don't provide any value. There's no entertainment value to, a little necklace, little bracelet, whatever. There's nothing. So if there's no value to an item, why would somebody continue to buy that kind of stuff? Now I understand some people will, but here's the problem. If you're running a drop shipping business and you're selling this cheap novelty crap that you think people just absolutely love, they don't. Most drop shipping businesses, Shopify stores, people that are running Facebook ads to sell, some of these cheap novelty items, they don't make much money, if any, on the initial sale. Where they're making their money is they get somebody to buy in to that novelty item, that cheap item. That cheap panda necklace. And then what they do is they sell them other things related to pandas or cheetahs or cats or dogs. And that could be a very profitable business. The problem is most people just getting started are never going to go through the entire process. They're never going to see the entire business model. All they're going to do is focus on that cheap novelty item and they're going to lose money day after day after day. So that is number one reason why dropshipping cheap novelty items is going to be the worst online business of 2020. Now, I want your input. I honestly want your input. If you think dropshipping cheap novelty items is going to be just a booming business? Let me know your reasoning down below, and you have to give me a reason. Don't just say I'm stupid and I'm wrong. Give me an actual reason. If you just say I'm stupid, I'm wrong, you're probably going to get your comment deleted. But if you say I'm stupid, I'm wrong, here's the reason why, and you give a legitimate reason, whether I believe it's true or not, I'll keep your comment on there because I seriously want to know, what are your thoughts? All right. So we just talked about what is the worst online business of 2020, but what is the best online business of 2020? Because that's probably what you're here to see, right? You want to know what is the best business and why, in my opinion, do I believe this is the best business of 2020. The best online business of 2020 is to become a YouTube content creator. And not just any content creator. And I know I've talked about this in many videos. And it's because I firmly believe this is one of the best businesses. Not only because I post videos here on this channel. Okay, I have over 30 other YouTube channels that I post on. And here's what you need to understand. Is by providing free value and free entertainment, people just eat that up. They love it. So why not put yourself in the driver's seat? Put yourself in front of these people and make money by creating quality and valuable YouTube content. Let me give you a few ideas, okay? Let me give you some examples really quick. Now, first off, people love watching video, and they prefer video over reading a blog comment or a book. So because of that, why not create videos that teach the exact same thing somebody would get out of reading a book? Or going and reading some type of blog. If you teach people how to do X, they're going to come watch your videos because they want to watch it, they want to see it. They're visual learners. So why would they want to go read a book or read a blog post and see pictures when they can see the real deal? See you create whatever it is and do whatever it is they want to do. You want to learn how to hit a golf ball? Create a video. If you want to learn how to cook the perfect steak, create a video. If you want to learn how to invest in real estate, well, create a video. One of the things that I've noticed, not just recently, but in the past maybe 2 or 3 years, that creating how-to videos and free, valuable content, teaching somebody a skill set or a new idea is something that really takes off, and it just works. People love to see how to do something. People also love to see, okay, I plan on buying this new watch, but the problem is it worth it? Should I spend the $500 on this watch? I have no idea. So what do? I go to YouTube and I type in, whatever review, right? And so let's say I want to buy a new Breitling watch, right? And so I'm going to go and it's a $6,000 watch. Cool. Is it the best watch for the money? Do I think the value is going to go up? Is it going to drop? What do I need to know about this particular watch? And so all that stuff you can see right here on YouTube. So what do people do? Come to YouTube and type in Breitling, whatever, watch review. Or, 2017 Honda Accord review. Or let's say it's a new camera, Canon 90D product review, right? People want to see what the item looks like, how it works, if it's a good value for the money, if it's not, and if it's not, they're not going to buy it. But if it is, this is where you start making some money. By offering this pure value that is to no cost to the person watching, and then providing a link to buy the product, buy whatever it is, the accessories that the person needs, whatever it is you're talking about on your video, when you can provide a link to that, which is also an affiliate link. If you can provide an affiliate link inside the description box, what happens is they click on that link. If they buy the product, you get a small commission. It may only be $5, $10, $15, $50, but when you think about and you have thousands of visitors to your videos every single month, let's say 10 people buy a product that makes you $50 per month, okay, or $50 per sale. At the end of the month, if 10 people bought it, you just made $500. $500 by creating a YouTube video. That's it. So here's what I recommend to you is the very first step in order to make money and create this great business opportunity is you need to create videos based around a hobby of yours. And it doesn't have to be a free hobby. If it's free, great, perfect. But if not, no big deal. There's probably other people that have this exact same hobby. And the hobby could be anything. And the reason why I say follow a passion and do something that you love, your hobby, is because if you're already doing it, it's so easy to pull out your phone and record yourself doing it. Buy a camera and record yourself doing whatever it is that you do. And if you can do this multiple times a week, what happens is you start making more money a little bit quicker. But the reason why you need to stick to a passion or a hobby is because if you have to go outside your comfort zone to do something completely different, most people won't do it, or they won't do it for a very long time. So if you want to make any substantial money, not just $50 a day, but more like $500, $5,000 a day, that is substantial money. In order to make that, you have to stick with it. So after you've come up with your idea or your hobby to start creating videos on, the next thing I want you to do is to create these videos and build trust. Because if you can't build trust, nobody's going to buy anything that you recommend. Nobody's going to keep coming back to watch additional videos. So you need to build trust along the way. If you can't, the problem that you're going to have is nobody's going to watch your videos. Okay? You're not going to make any money. And eventually, you're just going to quit anyway. And now, the last thing I recommend, don't go anywhere. There's still more of this video, but the last thing that I recommend you do is you have to link to a specific product that you're talking about, reviewing, or recommending inside the description box of your videos. If you don't, then you're not going to make any money. What I like to do, let's say I'm talking about a specific, got a watch right here, okay? Got my Apple Watch right here. Now, let's say I'm talking about this exact watch. What I would do is I would link to this over on Amazon or over on Apple or Walmart or wherever, depending on where I have my affiliate links. So I'm going to link to this every single time. Anytime I talk about this watch, I'm going to link to it. The reason why I do that is because I want to make sure that people will actually watch the video and they'll go and click on the links to buy that watch. And if you don't have those links, they're not going to click on it, they're not going to buy it, and you're not going to make any money. So let me give you a few ideas for different videos or different channels that you can create. Okay, for example, I have this big, they're not really big, it's kind of scruffy little beard thing that I got going on. Need to shave it, but I've been thinking maybe I should do something else. Maybe I should make like a line. I have no idea. So what I did is I went over to YouTube and looked how to trim your beard. And there are so many videos on how to trim your beard. I didn't realize it, but there's big money. And why is there big money? Why is there a lot of money in this? First off, a lot of people, a lot of men, obviously, are wanting to know how to trim their beard. How is the best way? What is the new style? Should they trim here, 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 get everything off, whatever? What should they do, right? But not only that, most men don't have a proper trimmer. And so what do? They go to these YouTube videos, and just like I did, somebody's recommending a specific trimmer. So what did? I clicked the link in the description box, went over to Amazon, and I purchased that trimmer. Just because that person gave me a very good idea and told me why I needed this particular trimmer, so I bought that exact trimmer. That's how most people work. That's exactly what I did. Let's say you don't have a beard, but it's summertime, you're a little pale, you're kind of white. What do? Well, maybe you want to see what the best self-tanner is and how much it costs, where do I get it, how do I apply it, all that stuff, right? What you can do, go to YouTube and type in how to apply self-tanner. And all these videos, usually women, which is fine, they show you how to apply self-tanner. You put it on, don't use your hand, get a little mitt, all this stuff, right? And it works. And then somebody says, okay, you need this cool mitt so you don't get any of the self-tanner under your fingernails or on your fingers, whatever. So what happens? You go and buy the mitt, right? That's exactly what I did. That's what I did last year. Went to go buy the tanning mitt so I don't get the tanner stuff on under my fingers, right, or under my fingernails, right? It's just a simple video, but it makes money. Let's say you want to create a worm farm. Go to YouTube and type in how to start a worm farm, right? People do that. How to build a chicken coop. People teach you how to do that. How to mow your lawn correctly. People will teach you how to do that. It doesn't matter what your passion is. It doesn't. What matters is you stick to that passion, you keep creating more and more videos on that exact same thing, because eventually they're going to take off and they're going to make you some money. Now, let's say YouTube is not the business for you. Let's say you just don't want to do it. You've tried it, you just didn't have success. Well, I want to show you how you can actually make some money. So down below, down in the description box below, I'm going to put a link to a free training that I have that I offer. It's about 30 minute long video, and it shows you how to make $500 per month from one single YouTube video. If you haven't already gone through that training, I recommend you do that now. Now, I understand, again, maybe YouTube is just not for you. You've tried it, haven't had success. So what can you do? Well, I'm gonna give you 3 different videos. Underneath that first link down in the description box below, I'm gonna link to 3 different videos. The first one, I wanna show you how to make $50 per post on Facebook. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out right now. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below as well. The next one, I wanna show you how to make money by using free apps. And most people don't realize there's apps out there that will pay you to get people to sign up on those apps. There's also apps out there that will pay you to use their app. And these are some simple apps that you can use right now, absolutely free. You can make money. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to that down in the description box below as well. And the last online business idea that I want to show you, again, if you haven't seen this video, but I show you how I earn $92 in 30 minutes from Lego. So if you haven't seen that video, again, put a link to that down in the description box below as well. What you need to understand about any online business in 2020 and beyond is some are going to be the best businesses in the world, some are going to be the worst. Every single person has their own personal input. Like I just said, for me personally, I think dropshipping, cheap novelty items, is going to be a horrible business. Some people maybe are on the opposite side of me, who knows? And I think one of the best online businesses of 2020 is becoming a YouTube content creator and creating how-to videos and reviews, because essentially that is big business. That's a lot of money you could be making in a very short time creating simple, very simple YouTube videos. So if you guys have any questions, whether it's on how to create YouTube videos, or it's on drop shipping, or it's on how you make money on free apps, or just online business or entrepreneurship in general, let me know. I'm here to help you out any way I can. All you gotta do, ask your questions down in the comment section below. So again, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any more of my videos. But if you enjoyed it, again, let me know. What was your favorite part of this video down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next one.